Hello everyone, welcome back to Copsupply. In this video we're going to be giving you an overview of Supreme Machine. If you're watching this on the Copsupply YouTube channel, that is great. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe and check out these top posts. I will take you to the Copsupply website, which has a complete overview of Supreme Machine, and it has an embedded video player with this video on, and it has a bunch more information for you guys to go ahead and check out. If you guys are watching this on the embedded video player on the Copsupply website, there are two buttons embedded on this page at the top and the bottom. It will take you to this web page, which I'm going to go ahead and break down, so make sure you go ahead and click that and head to their website. So let's go ahead and break down what we can see. Supreme Machine, a Supreme automated checkout bot, starts securing the latest Supreme items for retail, so you can go ahead and buy it now. We have a bunch of information here. If you hit about, it will take you to the about section. You can go ahead and learn about them if you wish to do that. Then obviously you have releases, testimonials, frequently asked questions, blogs, and then once again you have the buy now button. If you scroll down here, you can see their pricing, so it's £10 a month or £75 lifetime, so obviously buy the one you want. And it has a super fast checkout, easy to use, worldwide support on instant download. And touching on the nature of this bot, it is a Chrome based extension, the bot, so any type of desktop device will suffice, so you guys can use this on any type of desktop device. So once you guys decide to go ahead and buy Supreme Machine, hit the buy now button, and then you can go ahead and buy the monthly or the lifetime version. That is completely up to you. Then during the checkout process, it will ask you for an email. Check that after 30 minutes. If it doesn't appear in any of the major folders such as updates or your normal inbox, make sure to check spam for the email from Supreme Machine that will have your download among other things. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut over to showing you the download process and an overall UI overview. Once you go ahead and actually purchase Supreme Machine, you get access to it. This is what the email is going to look like. Thank you for your purchase. In this email you will find your unique license key that is required in order to operate the Supreme Machine automation software. Find your license key attached below, copy this key and bind it onto the dashboard. After binding the key, you will be automatically added to our Discord server. If you require further assistance or have any questions, simply open up a support ticket in our Discord server. That is the key there that I've gone ahead and blurred for this video. You can check out their dashboard by hitting this button, which I'm going to go ahead and do here. It's going to take me to the dashboard. I've gone ahead and already put in my key here. That's why it says stay as active, and everything is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this button here. It's going to take me to the support section. I'm going to hit the download button, and it's going to go ahead and take me to the download channel. So once you go ahead and bind your key, it will automatically add you to their Discord. So if you actually hit this button here and give it a moment, it will take you to the download channel to go ahead and download it. So let's hit the Supreme Machine zip. Give it a moment. It's going to go ahead and download. I'm going to hit save. So it's going ahead and downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and close out some of the tabs here and go back to their main website. I'm going to drag my tab over here, and as you guys can see, the file that we go ahead and download is here. Essentially, we want to get this file into this file so we can go ahead and upload it to Google Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. So essentially, you need a software that extracts these files. I'm going to go ahead and hit extract here because I'm using WinRAR, but you can use any type of software as long as it can extract these type of files. I'm going to hit extract here. I've gone ahead and already downloaded it. That's why I had to hit yes to all, but I will pop up for you. This is the file you're going to be uploading to your Chrome. So let's go back to Chrome here. I'm on Brave, but it works the exact same way. Hit the three dots, go down to settings, hit the extensions, hit manage extensions, and this is where you can go ahead and upload extensions. So make sure developer mode is on. Go to your desktop, go ahead and drag this in, and it is as simple as that. Hit the jigsaw button if you can't see it up there, and go ahead and pin Supreme Machine so you can go ahead and access it. Hit this button, and if you give it a moment here, it will allow you to go ahead and put in your license key. So refer back to your email and go ahead and grab your license key, then hit the login button. I've gone ahead and grabbed my key. I'm going to hit the login button. It's going to say login successful, and I've gone ahead and logged into the bot. Now when I go ahead and hit this button, it's going to pop up a user interface which goes ahead and shows me all the things that are within Supreme Machine. We have auto tasks, profiles, restocks, the general settings, which is what we see when we go ahead and hit the icon here. You have a bunch of settings here, such as autofill, random size, the ATC delay, the ACO delay, the add to cart, auto checkout. You can select your profile from a drop down once you've created them, the sizes, and then when you go ahead and create it, and then it will show your order, size, and actions, and you can go ahead and save a task if you wish to do that. Then at the bottom you can log out or switch to night mode or day mode depending on your preference. So firstly, let's go ahead and set up a profile. I'm going to hit this button. It's going to open up a new tab for me to go ahead and enter a profile. It's going to ask for some very basic information here, such as your profile name, first name, last name, email, phone number, address due, city, zip code, state, country, card holder name, card type, card number, and the expiry as well as the CVV. You can also export and import profiles using these two buttons, and once you are done, go ahead and save the profile. I've gone ahead and filled out some test information here for the purpose of this video. I'm going to hit the save button. It will go ahead and save my profile. Now if I go to the load profile section, video test is available here, so if I hit it, it will go ahead and show the information under video test. So let's hit the extension button once again and hit the restocks button. This is where you can go ahead and set up your restock task. So to set up a restock task, you put in the URL, the size. You can enable any size if you wish. You can configure the add to cart delay, the checkout delay, select your profile from the profiles you've created, the notify methods. So if you want to use Chrome notification, webhook notification, or full auto checkout, you can use that. You have the auto restart button and the interval/loop, which is based in milliseconds, as well as the other things I mentioned here. You can enter a webhook. So let's say if you were to hit webhook notification and then you enter webhook here and you hit save, then obviously the notification will go through the webhook. Then you can add the task once you're done, import and export tasks as well. And then the tasks are broken down into the image, item, size, profile, the notify methods, the loop, the log, and the actions associated with that. Then going back to the icon, you can set up auto tasks. So this is very similar to the restock. However, on auto tasks, you go ahead and configure a lot more because the item hasn't actually been dropped before. That's why you can't put in a URL. So you have positive and negative keywords, the color, the size. Obviously you can choose the size from the drop down here, the category. Then you have some options here such as any color, any size, any color and any size. Then you have checkout all, or checkout any. Then you can select your profile once again and then configure the ATC delay, the ACO delay. Then you can schedule your task based on your calendar time and as well as individual time on that day. Then once you're done, hit add task. You can import and export task if you wish, and then it's broken down into keywords, colors, sizes, categories, options, profile, date, time, log, and actions. Then you have the drop list part. If you wish to go ahead and load the latest drop list, you can hit this button. Because we're out of Supreme season right now, this isn't working. If you are watching this and it's within a Supreme season, then this will obviously work. Now that I've gone ahead and showed you the overview of the UI, I'm actually going to go ahead and narrate over some clips that Supreme Machine has sent over to be included in this video. Now in this first clip, you're going to see a user go ahead and click on item, and it's gone ahead and selected the size they configured and filled out some test information, and they did this by utilizing the pop-up task within Supreme Machine that you guys can actually do by using the extension. Now in this clip, we are utilizing Restock Task within Supreme Machine, and in the clip you can clearly see that the user goes ahead and hits the play button to start the task, and the log section below that, it says monitoring column with a number there, and that actually represents how many times the task has gone ahead and checked for the availability of the given item in the exact configuration you've made for that restock task. Now finally, in this clip you can clearly see that the drop list is available to view here. The user is scrolling through the current drop list, it hits create on the arc logo water shot, and then you can go ahead and create your task from the direct drop list. So you can go ahead and choose the color, the sizing, as well as the category and some options associated with it, and usually all these options will be loaded with the item. Then you can go ahead and hit the create button and it will go ahead and create that task, removing the huge pain of setting up keywords for this item. And that is going to go ahead and conclude the overview of Supreme Machine at Cop Supply.